Ever wondered why the simple pound cake has captivated taste buds for centuries? Its buttery richness and delightful simplicity make it a timeless favorite. Begin this classic bake by preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle warmth is perfect for creating a tender golden crust. Next, cream together 1 cup of unsalted butter with 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Whipping these ingredients until they're pale and fluffy introduces air, which is the secret to a light and spongy cake. Now crack in 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. This step is crucial for building structure in your batter, ensuring that each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract for that classic, irresistible flavor. Vanilla not only adds depth, but also enhances the cake's sweet aroma as it bakes. In a separate bowl, sift together 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this to your butter mixture, mixing until just combined. Overmixing here could lead to a denser cake, so a gentle hand is key. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Smooth the top with a spatula to ensure an even rise. Bake in the preheated oven for about 60 to 70 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, or with just a few crumbs attached. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. This resting time helps the structure set, making it easier to slice. To recap, start by creaming butter and sugar, then incorporate eggs one at a time. Mix in vanilla followed by the flour and salt mixture and bake until golden and springy to the touch. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned baker, this pound cake recipe promises a delightful result. Why not give it a try? The joy of baking your own perfect pound cake is just a preheat away.